Here is the Toyota Highlander, and now we'll replace the struts for your rear windshield. First, open up the windshield. The struts right over there. You will need a small flathead screwdriver. The key is to make sure it's a small screwdriver. If it's too thick, too big, it will not go underneath that clip over there. Because you need to put it right under that clip and then pry it out gently from the lock position out this way, and now it's in the unlock position. See how it's out? Good, that's unlocked. Now just push up on the windshield a little bit, get load off of it and get the strut out. Repeat the process for the other side. Same thing, pull the clip out and then twist the strut and it'll come off the ball. Usually the new struts come with the clip in the lock position. If in the lock position it's easier, it automatically pops on. If it's unlocked like this, I'll show you how to put it back into the lock position. That's it. Two clips to replace the strut and the exact same process on the other side, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.